Meeting new people. Personal questions. What's your name? What's your surname? What's your email address? What's your address? What's your telephone number? Let's have a look at the answers. What's your name? It's Laura. What's your surname? It's Skiriba. What's your email address? It's laprof@gmail.com. What's your address? It's 5874 Aconcagua Street, Lanús. Zip code 1825. What's your telephone number? It's 4256-6628. Remember this, surname is a synonym of family name or last name. So, what's your surname or what's your family name? What's your last name? It's Smith. So it's plus is plus surname. Email address. What's your email address? It's laprofe@gmail.com. Have a look at the internet and email vocabulary. Address is a short form for email address. @ underscore dot hyphen uppercase or lowercase hash / backslash brackets or round brackets asterisk. Home address. What's your address? It's 197 Sumatra Road, London, NW6 1PF, England. So, it plus is plus the number, the name, the street, then the city, zip code, and country. Notice, first we say the number, then the streets. Types of streets: alley, avenue, boulevard, street, lane. Telephone number. What's your telephone number or what's your phone number? What's your mobile number? It plus is plus the number, so it's 4892526. Attention! Different questions. What's your job? How old are you? What's your marital status? The answers are different. Let's have a look. Profession, occupation, or jobs are synonyms. So, what's your job? I'm a teacher. Or I am a teacher. I am an actor. Or I'm an actor. I'm unemployed. No job. It's a teacher. It's teacher. No. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Or I'm 25. I have 25. No. Marital status. What's your marital status? I'm married. I am a widow. Or I am single. I am divorced. I am a widower. Are you married? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Are you married or single? I am married. Or I'm single. I'm divorced. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful.